I am very excited to tell you about the Dishman Hills Conservancy's Nature at Home series. The Education Committee has created a free resource for parents, teachers, and kids designed to stimulate going out into nature. These free resources include videos and kids' flyers, many of which include activities that can be done in your backyard, local park, or any nearby natural area. We hope to inspire kids of all ages to learn about the natural world and discover new connections to nature. To access current content, go to dishmanhills.org and select Nature at Home from the menu bar. You can also email me at education@dishmanhills.org if you would like more information about this program.